It is a beautiful, glorious, sunny day. I'm en route to a shoot. Got a podcast on, listening to This Paranormal Life. What could possibly go wrong? So my very basic understanding of cars is that isn't supposed to happen. So it would appear that one of the injectors is absolutely bingoed on the van. If you have ever owned a VW Caddy van, or you've ever even considered owning one, then you'll know all about the injectors. It's a known thing. They just kind of go pop whenever they feel like it. So I've been towed out of the way off the busy road. And I'm now waiting for an adult man to come and remedy the situation. He's going to bring an injector kit, he's going to swap an injector, and I can carry on about my day. But I'm stuck here for about an hour and a half. Okay, so the good news first. I have all my main film photography gear with me, my full work rig. The bad news, I only have black and white film, and it is a beautiful, sunny, absurdly nice day. Especially for the UK, it's usually shit. But the other less bad news, which would suggest that it's good news, is that I have one of the black and white films that I have with me is the APX 400. And this stuff absolutely bangs. It has that whole halation-y, bloomy thing going on with the highlights, and given it's super sunny out today, I'm hoping that we can get some of that in some of these photos. So we are going to be shooting on the Minolta Dynax 7. It is an absolute beast. It's my end game 35mm film camera, no bullshit. So I've currently got the 28mm on there, and I have like my full work kit. So I've got 50mm, I've got a 50mm 1.4, I've got the 16mm fisheye, and I've got the fabled beer can, which is the 70-210 f4 all the way through. It goes without saying, there are much worse ways to break down. I broke down at about 9:30 this morning. I'm going to show you the time. 4 PM. That's really hard to read, isn't it? The numbers are upside down because it's a Stranger Things watch. And yeah, the upside down. So the numbers are upside down. Really good. But yeah, it says 4 PM.